Whoa! Hey, we decorated for Halloween, so check it out. Have a good time. Skeleton glass with red juice. Hey, what's the juice?
Red juice.
What's the juice?
What?
What's the juice?
What's the juice?
Red Mountain Dew. Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool, huh? That's the dollar store right there. We don't spend a lot of money. That was $1. Actually, that was $1. It's kind of a waste of money for $1. Anyways, the Mountain Dew costs more than the glass. What are you doing?
Is that a good spot?
For what?
That.
I can't see it. Yeah, right. It is good because look. Thanks. No, cold.
But how?
With a nail. Oh, hey, actually, here you go. Ready? Stapler. Yeah, this thing, guys, this is all put together with like random nails. It's not safe.
Oh, you're running the secret.
It's not really safe, you know. You came by. It's probably a Is that a fire hazard?
Absolutely.
Ah. I buckled my lip. No hands. You gotta do that vlogger thing where you're like, hey, welcome to, subscribe to my channel. What else do they say? Buy my merch.
Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I can't.